Hello students, let's solve more examples on polar coordinates. Example, evaluate double integration over r x dA where r is the region in the first quadrant that lies between the circles x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x square plus y square is equal to 2x. So we have to integrate x double integration x dA. What is region R? It is first quadrant, lies between these two circles. Okay, now let I is equal to double integration over R x dA. Okay, what is region R? R is the region in first quadrant that lies between circles x square plus y square is equal to 4 and what is another circle? X square plus y square is equal to 2x. Now this is a circle with center 0, 0 and radius 2. What about this? So this equation x square plus y square is equal to 2x. It can be written as x square minus 2x plus y square is equal to 0. That is, this equation we can write it as x minus 1 bracket square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, this equation is same as this. Means what? It is a equation of circle with center 1, 0. Okay, this is y minus 0 bracket square. So it is circle with center 1, 0 and radius 1. So we will write this is a circle with center 1, 0 and radius 1. Okay, how this R look like? First is circle with center 0, 0 and radius 2. Okay, so suppose it is x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Suppose it is circle with radius 2. Suppose 2 is here. Okay, and another is, so 1 is here, another is with center 1, 0 and radius 1. So it is 1 radius and this point is 1, 0. Okay, so this is center and radius 1. This distance is 1, this distance is 1. So another circle is this. Okay, with center this radius 1. So what is region? Region in first quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant bounded by these two circles means our region is this. Okay, this is our required region. So in this region what we will do? We will put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. Okay, therefore, and what about limits of r and limits of theta? So here, and limits of theta. What is limit of theta? It is in first quadrant, so theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. And what about limit of r? Now look here, lower boundary of r is this. Okay, and upper boundary is here. Upper boundary is this, where maximum this distance is 2. So upper point of r is 2. What about lower? So what is equation? From this we can write equation of this circle is given as, we have what we have, x square plus y square is equal to 2x. Okay, it is equation of this inner circle. And what is x square plus y square? X square plus y square is r square. So r square is equal to 2. X is r cos theta. So what this implies, r will get cancelled. R is equal to 2 cos theta. Therefore, limits of r, what is lower limit? Lower limit is this, that is 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta 2. 2 what? 2. Upper limit of r is 2. Now let us solve given integral. Therefore I is equal to double integration x r. What is x? X is equal to r cos theta. X is equal to r cos theta. Then dm is r, dr d theta. R varies from 2 cos theta to 2, and theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Now let us solve this integration. First integrate with respect to r, and then we integrate with respect to theta. So let us solve it, which is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Cos theta is constant. It is r into r square dr. R square integration of r square r cube by 3, 2 cos theta by 2 d theta, which is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. Cos theta upon 3 is constant, r cube 2 cos theta to 2 d theta, which is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos theta upon 3, 2 cube. Now 2 cube, that is 8. 8 minus 2 cube, 8 cos cube theta d theta. So now let us do this multiplication, which is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta minus 8 by 3 cos raised to 4 theta into d theta. Okay. Now cos raised to 4 theta, now let us write it as 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta. Here we can write it as minus 2 by 3. Okay, 4 can be written as 2 cos square theta bracket square d theta. What we did here, 2 by 3, 2 square, that is 4 into 2, 8 upon 3 cos square theta into square cos raised to 4 theta. Okay, why we did it? Because we can replace 2 cos square theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So here we can, it is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta minus 2 by 3. 2 cos square theta is same as 1 plus cos 2 theta bracket square into d theta. Now let us expand it. 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta minus 2 by 3, its expansion 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta into d theta. Okay, now let us next step. Now cos square 2 theta, so let us integrate, let us multiply by this 2 by 3 to this bracket, so is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 cos 2 theta. Okay, minus here minus 2 by 3 cos square 2 theta. We can write it as minus 1 by 3 2 cos square 2 theta d theta. Okay, Now this 2 cos square 2 theta, this 2 cos square 2 theta is same as 1 plus cos 4 theta. So is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 cos 2 theta minus 1 by 3 1 plus cos 4 theta d theta. Okay, that is integration 0 to pi by 2, 8 by 3 cos theta minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is minus 3 upon minus 3 upon 3, that is minus 1. Then minus 4 by 3 cos 2 theta, then minus 1 by 3 cos 4 theta d theta. Now let us integrate with respect to theta. So it is equal to 8 by 3 sin theta minus what, 4 by 3 sin 2 theta upon 2. So 2 you will get cancel, here is 2 upon 3 sin 2 theta minus what, sin 4 theta upon 4, and it is 3, so it is 1 by 12 sin 4 theta with limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so which is equal to, let us apply limit, which is equal to 8 by 3 sin pi by 2 is 1 minus pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 2, that is sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, then minus sin 0 0 0 sin 0 0 0. So our answer is 8 by 3 minus pi by 2. Okay, now let us solve another example. Evaluate the iterated integral by converting to polar coordinates. So it is minus 3 to 3, 0 to square root of 9 minus x square sine of x square plus y square dy dx. So in solution we have to change this integral into polar coordinate. Okay, this is square root of 9 minus x square. So let I is equal to this. What is limit points? Region R is bounded by y is equal to 0 to y square root, and x is minus 3 to 3. So here the region R is bounded by y is equal to 0 to y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square, and x is equal to minus 3 to x is equal to 3. Okay, now from this equation y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square, what it means, y square is equal to 9 minus x square, that is x square plus y square is equal to 9, means it is circle with center 0 0 and radius 3. Okay, now put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, therefore dx dy will be r dr d theta. Okay, so what will be our what will be limits of r and limits of theta? Limits of r, so r varies from radius 0 to radius 3, so limits of r is 0 to 3, and limits of theta is, theta varies from, now it is positive square root. Okay, so theta will vary from 0 to pi. Okay, theta will vary from 0 to pi like this. So let us, therefore we will write, therefore I is equal to double integration sine of x square plus y square, means x square, from this x square plus y square is r square, so it is sine of r square, then dy dx means r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to 3 and theta varies from 0 to pi. Now let us solve this integral, which is equal to 0 to pi. Now look here, sine of r square and derivative of r square is 2r. Here is r, we can add just 2r to cancel this to 1/2. Sine of r square dr d theta. Integrating with respect to r, what we get? 1/2 cos of r square. 1/2 minus cos of r square with limits 0 to 3 d theta. Let us apply limit 0 to pi. Okay, 1/2 minus cos 9 minus plus cos 0 d theta, which is equal to integration 0 to pi. This is 1/2 minus cos 9 plus cos 0 is 1 d theta. So integrating with respect to theta, this 1/2, 1 minus cos 9 is constant. Integration of d theta with limit 0 to pi. So it is 1/2, 1 minus cos 9 theta with limit 0 to pi. By applying limit, it is 1/2, 1 minus cos 9 into pi minus 0, that is pi. So our answer is pi by 2 into 1 minus cos 9. Okay, this is our answer. Next example is evaluate the iterated integral by converting to polar coordinates 0 to a minus square root of a square minus y square to 0 x square y dx dy. Okay, we have to convert this integral into polar coordinates. Integral in polar coordinates. So in solution, let I is equal to the given, what is region R? Region R is bounded by what? First is integration with respect to x. Limits of x are x is equal to minus square root of a square minus y square to x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 to a. Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. Okay, so what will be this region? X is equal to this. What this implies? It is after taking square, x square is equal to what? A square minus y square, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is what? Circle with center 0 0 and radius a. Okay, suppose it is radius a, suppose this circle is there. So it is bounded by this circle. X is equal to 0 means y axis, y is equal to 0 means x axis. These two axes, this circle and y is equal to a. Okay, so what is a? This distance is a because radius a, so this line. Okay, so x axis, y axis, okay, this circle, and it is, look here, it is negative, minus of this means which part of circle will be this part. So it is bounded by x axis, y axis, this half circle and this line. So our required region is, this is our required region. Okay, this distance is a. Okay, this distance is a, this point is 0 0. Okay, so what will be the limits of r, limits of theta? So first put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, therefore dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. limits of r. What are limits of r? Radius varies from 0 to a, and limits of theta. Theta varies from what? Pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi. Okay. Now let us solve the integral. Therefore, I is equal to double integration. What is given integral is x square y. What is x? X is equal to r cos theta. So r square cos square theta. Y is r sin theta. Okay. Then dx dy means r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to a. Okay. R varies from 0 to a. Theta varies from pi by 2 to pi. Okay. Now let us solve this integration, which is equal to pi by 2 to pi. So it is what? R square r into r, that is r raised to 4. So this cos square theta, this is 0 to a, cos square theta sin theta r raised to 4 dr d theta. First integrate with respect to r. So cos square theta sin theta constant, integration of r raised to 4 r raised to 5 upon 5 with limits 0 to a d theta. Now let us apply limits, which is equal to pi by 2 to pi. Okay, pi by 2 to pi, cos square theta sin theta a raised to 5 upon 5, and after that minus lower limit 0 into d theta. Okay, now let us integrate with respect to theta. So is equal to integration of, so pi by 2 to pi, what we get? Integration pi by 2 to pi. Now cos square theta, we can take a square by, a raised to 5 by 5 common, a raised to 5 by 5 common because it is constant. Cos square theta sin theta d theta. Now here, what is derivative of cos square theta? Derivative of cos square theta is minus sin theta. Here is already sin theta. We can add just minus sin theta here. So a raised to 5 by 5, pi by 2 to pi minus sin theta. To adjust this minus sign, we again take minus here, cos square theta d theta. Now derivative of cos square theta is present here. So we will integrate. So next is equal to a raised to 5 by 5. This minus sign minus, so integration of cos square theta is cos cube theta upon 3 with limits pi by 2 to pi. Now let us apply limits. So is equal to a raised to 5 by 5 minus cos cube pi by 3, minus minus plus, then cos cube pi by 2 by 3. What is cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1. Okay, so it is a raised to 5 by 5. Here cos pi is minus 1 cube minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 by 3 plus, we know cos pi by 2 is 0. So it is 0. So our answer is a raised to 5 by 15. Okay, so let's stop here. In next lecture, we will solve the next type of integrals, that is triple integrals. Okay, thank you.